Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights. First, let's get your vehicle ready. You'll want to park on a completely flat surface, facing a wall about 25 feet away. This distance is crucial for accurate aiming. Also, double-check that your tire pressures are correct, as this affects vehicle stance. Finally, grab a long Phillips head screwdriver. It's the primary tool you'll need for this task. Now, let's find those adjustment points. Pop open your hood and look at the back of each headlight assembly. You're searching for a specific screw, usually a white plastic bolt or a gear-like mechanism. This is your vertical adjustment screw. It's often located on the top or back of the housing. A long Phillips head screwdriver will fit into a slot to turn this gear, allowing you to change the beam height. With your vehicle positioned, let's make the adjustments. First, mark the center height of your headlights on the wall with a piece of tape. To adjust the beam, turn the screw. A clockwise rotation will lower the headlight beam, while a counterclockwise turn will raise it. Make small, gradual adjustments, perhaps 1 or 2 full turns at a time, checking the beam pattern on the wall after each change. After adjusting, it's time for a final check. The top edge of your low beam's brightest part should generally align with the center mark you made on the wall. Be mindful that the passenger side beam should not be aimed too high, as this can blind oncoming drivers. Once satisfied, take your vehicle for a drive on a dark road to confirm your headlights provide clear, safe illumination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.